You can't stop. It's very unprofessional.
Hello everybody, I hope you are doing good. Voila, it's coming from the laptop. It should come out of my speaker. There you go. Hello, I'm here again. Alright, we gotta do it quick. I'm coming in late. I hate this, but it is what it is. BA 2 continuation. I'm not going to touch it. They're gonna be UAL, all travel companies gonna go higher. I don't want to touch this thing. Let's quickly check CCL, UAL, AA, Love, and CLH. Okay, none of them. The whole travel company is in a formation. All right, so this is a good news for cruise, pharma, retail, and transport. Bad news for Zoom, IT infrastructure companies. Not that the whole sector as IT and telecommunication, but it's bad for Zoom and Microsoft, especially for Skype and Zoom, the app. So J&J is up but not gapping higher. Moderna, all of this is because of this fucking Omicron, the variant, and then it removes the vaccines and it's useless, blah, 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 all of that. So we're just going to look at the catalyst, and we're going to just pay attention to technical levels. So we have the mover, the catalyst, the energy, the juice. Now we just look at the levels and then trade off of them. Anyhow, if I'm going to trade those that are gapping up, I'm going to take a look at those that are gonna gap down and gonna drip down, those that are going lower and gapping low now, because I'm going to hedge out my my watch list, right? I need something against the other one. So okay, Zoom actually looks is jumping higher. Microsoft the same. Tesla, the big ones, as well. It's just because of the queues. Facebook, Apple, oh la la, of course. The next one, who's next? Qcom, Intel, INTC. Oh, look at this. Yesterday I was long on Intel. Look at this. You can see at the down here, look at this. I had two alerts, one for long, one for short. The one on long hit, and the reason that I went long, oh my fucking god, look at this. I said yesterday long here, we have a pivot machine gun up to here. Now the fucking just go, oh my god. Holy moly. Look at this. Voila. All right, so I want to check banking because okay, this is how it is. People gonna if the shutdown doesn't happen, this is how I think. People won't close. They're gonna be more people spending money. They're gonna be more people buying stuff. They're gonna be more loans. Banking sector gonna be hot. This is how I see it. It's good for just everybody. JPMC, banking sector is not doing well though. Oh my god, look at the size on fucking 35. Ooh la la. What is that? Oh my god, look at the 51 size of 51. Who's gonna go through that? Voila. Why this is so big? What's that? Now I know. It was yesterday's close, yeah. Activision. Activision. Actually, I'm expecting Activision to go lower. Like, if everything's okay, Activision gonna have less people playing because people are gonna go to work and do stuff. Okay, everything is continuation. Yeah. Okay, this one is a good long though. 2 down, 2 up, gap up. Let's go. Qualcomm. I haven't seen new in a decade. Voila. Tesla. It's a beautiful hammer. I mean, I'm not going to trade Tesla today. It's a good day. I don't want to just put all of my buying power in Tesla. If there was any other day, this is beautiful, bro. This is beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna trade off of 5 minute, by the way. I've been suggested to trade off of 2 minutes because it's smoother but still quick. But I don't know. So we will see. Alright, let's do it. Let's see if I'm live on Twitter. If I'm live on Twitter, it means all is good. Is alles gut? Très bien. Okay, we are live, 2 viewers on Twitter. Not that I care that even one person watches my stream on freaking online platform. This stream is for me, and I'm doing it for me. At the same time, I'm sharing it with you. So this explanation is not for you. I'm not teaching you to do stuff. This is just for me, Del. Alright. Okay, so it says that inside queues stayed inside, gapping up to the wall. Look at this. Alright, VXX, gapping down. Hola, VIX. Oh no, is this VIX? Let's see if we have VIX here. Oh yeah. Look at this. That is great. That is very great. One nasty move, it just dropped down. Oh boy. You have to see the VIX chart that I'm seeing here, huh? Look at this. And for VIX, if it just drops down, it means that volatility is back. Okay, so VXX. This is a long position. If people buy this, it's a long position against VIX. It's an ETF. All right, so we have both wicks and Qs are hugely responding. Bank of America, back. The Bank of Canada. It's a Bank of America. Well, what's Bank of Canada? What is it? Oh, NA. Yeah. Bank of America. Okay, back is in the banking sector, as I just checked in the morning, and back ain't bad. UAL, CCL. Okay, love is the best. Okay, let's see see Airbnb, Airbnb. Oh la la. What's the month saying? Oh, month is saying, let's go, baby. What's the 50% of this one? 45. Okay, 22. Hola. Alright, so 23. We pass this thing. Heaven is ahead. Respond to it to Twitter later. Oh, later. Okay. AMC. Okay, I was checking UAL. Actually, UAL is UAAA. NCLH, CCL. Okay, I like CCL. CCL. Or I like CCL because of the weekly already broke the 24. Managed to break 24. Okay. 24. Okay, so above pre-market high, we go long, baby. We go long, baby. CCL, all right. Let's say UAL. Yeah, okay. CCN, CLH. Okay, NCLH has so much potential. Like, because if these things break, if this thing breaks 21 breaks, the target is 23.70. So here, pre-market gap up, we think of I think of okay, so let me put the weekly level as well. This thing, I'm thinking of this. Okay, so here the magnitude is a target. Do we have yes? Who's yes? Yeah, no, I haven't set any of VQs. I don't want any of this. No, UAL, CCL, 8th Activision. Let me remove all of the yeses. Alright, I'm not worried about the open, although I want to try some open range breakout, but AMC, I don't like the fucking the 200 moving average on top. Key web, who's key web? What is it anyway? King. Oh la la, look at this. I don't like this. I mean, it's gapping up is good, but there's a huge chance of gapping up and then crapping down. DKNG. Okay, like lots of these that are 2 months down. Is Exxon Mobil is come on. Exxon Mobil is actually the one that weak green is everything green. Okay, I'm going to go long on this one. Levels are set. We have this level to just know that it's a weekly level, and magnitude is easily this one. Now, I'm looking at PMT to the upside. But we cannot go. I don't think we're gonna go like. Why not? $3? Of course it can go. $3 is 35. $2 if you want to go. It will go to $1, 34. We can easily reach above. JD. Okay, so let's look at some. Oh my God. Okay, outside I don't want to see the. Okay, let's look at the AFRM. AFR. This is good. This is very powerful. Free. Okay, I will set this line. Then I set this one. for me, magnitude could be maximum above here. We're gonna have this one as well. Right here, pre-market high. My watch is gonna explode at the open. Pins. Nah, Pinterest. I don't want to touch the Pinterest. Okay, so Lucid yesterday destroyed. Lucid red, weekly green. Today 2-2 rev. Let's go, baby. The gap down was nasty. The gap down was nasty. We have $2 to go, and this stock moves forward $5. So you can easily see the green gates of heaven. So okay, let me set my this level is very important. Okay, I know there is, and it is just nasty that I came late in today. Okay, Lucid, let's go. Lucid. I want to have something short for today. Nothing short. Let me put down. Okay, let's take a quick look at the. I cannot explain more, but Riot. Riot's good. 2-2 rev to the upside. We have this one ahead of us. And then magnitude is this one. Okay, so the ATR is $4 something, $4.20, which would be 35. Actually, here it would be the magnitude based on ATR. I'm going to put a yellow red next to each other. Who's this? Okay, voila. What I want. Riot. Okay, Riot. Up here. There was a technical issue that I was not paying attention. That was embarrassing. But voila. Market from its high is pulling back a little bit, washing off. But there is this thing. There's a very high possibility that I just keep watching cues and run the cues to the upside today. I will add multiply times, and BA yesterday destroyed my profit. Yeah, like literally yesterday killed my profit. We used to go UAL. I have UAL up here. Yeah, I do. Not one, two. Okay, one of them is at 50. One of them at 67. Voila, 67. 72. If anything, it should be 72. 78. I would put one for 78. All right. So is on. There you go, it is. Okay, so okay, here it is. Our chart. Okay, X. No. X is a bullish stock as well, but I don't want to do that. Qualcomm is good. I just didn't set alerts and stuff. Do we have Qualcomm? No, we don't. Shouldn't rush. Things can easily go wrong, but that's the idea for the day, to have the long side. SPY is gapping big. All right, SPY is gapping very, very big. It's just need to pay attention to what's going on. I don't want to rush into the thing. $6, so 160, 186. This is easily could be today's magnitude. All right, so who has the highest? Okay, CCL has the highest size. Sorry, Lucid has LCID. Okay, let's go on 5 minute. Okay, everybody on 5 minute today at the open, and then I switch to SPY. Actually did a 2-2 rev on a level. SPY did a 2-2 rev on a level. Look at that. Okay, so I did CCL, I did this. I'm going to I haven't even finished the watch list. Alright, I don't want XPEV, I don't want plug, I don't want Snap is good. Too late, the gap is too big. $2.70. Okay, let's ATR, let's see high ATRs. Tesla gonna run high. Rollblocks, RBLX. Okay, Rollblocks is doing good. This is yesterday, this is now, this is another level, this is the magnitude. We have this level ahead of us. Okay, so above pre-market high, the value is being set. Value is being set. Down here. Value is set here, down here. All right. Rollblocks is here, RBLX. Okay, okay, we got CCL, we got Lucid, we got okay, DraftKings. Okay, DraftKings is the one to just make the move outside of its area. New high of the day. So 3 minutes to open. DKNG. Voila, the rest is okay. I don't need to take a look at everything. QS is nice too. I like QS. Okay, DKNG to rip. Yeah. Okay, I set another alert. DKNG. There is one little issue on weekly. We have a little bit of expansion back into. We're gonna get to this yellow line sooner or later. Okay, DKNG to crap. People taking profit off. There's one level here, and then after this, which is at 47, it's reacting just to broad information. This broad information, which actually is this broad information. Coming back in, monthly coming back in, we'll see. Qualcomm, CCL DraftKings, DKNG, Zoom, okay, 29. Market gonna open in 1 minute. One here and yellow up there. So pre-market break, roadblock, lucid. Okay, let's put the rest. RBLX is gonna be CCL roadblocks, DraftKings, QCOM should be here. QCOM, Qualcomm, CCL DraftKings, lucid roadblocks, Zoom should be here. Lucid, Riot, and yeah, that's it. CCL taking a dive. CCL taking a dive. Actually, this is a weekly level. Let's see where it opens. So who we have that is ripping. Okay, so we have a lucid. Lucid is going. Let's have a pullback. 2 minute. Okay. Here we have a 5 minute. Riot is going. Okay, we're waiting for Lucid to pull back in to see that if it goes back to pre-market high. We have DraftKings coming in. Okay, I'm hitting Lucid. Okay. Okay, so okay, Qualcomm is, we are having Qualcomm coming in. SPY is not ripping or dropping, it's too quiet. And okay, let me have this. Alright, so we have roadblocks, 30 cents of spread. Okay, so we have Zoom coming in. We have Zoom coming in. I'm just about to get out of Lucid Trade. Zoom. Okay, we hit Zoom. Long. It's not ready yet. Market is still indecisive. Snap. Snap. Okay, Snap is coming in. Okay, just give it a second so we get a. Alright, we're good. Lucid taking a dive. I just had a 1.7 R loss on. Okay, Snap. What? Are you serious? Voila. It looks like Snap is serious. SPY just hit the pre-market high. Let's see what does it do. Qualcomm is coming in. Pre-market high and this level. Qualcomm is coming in. Qualcomm, you let it run, you don't let it to come back in. Snap is coming back in again. Snap came in. So Qualcomm, Lucid is still southbound. DraftKings came in. DraftKings, watching DraftKings. Snap, let's see what does the Snap do. Okay, so Snap is 20,000. I'm going to add 100% to my position. 1,000 shares in Snap. And the idea is to get to 51 minimum. 51. Qualcomm. Okay, so who do we have? Snap. I don't like that Snap actually is not going as a breakout. We have size with us. Okay, Qs are coming in. I'm adding so we are 300 into Snap. We just need to let this breakout to go. Okay. 15, we have 15. Okay, Qualcomm came back in and I got wicked out. Snap, I'm standing right. Okay, I'm going to add, I'm adding okay, roadblocks. Where is roadblocks? Okay, roadblocks is okay. I'm hitting roadblocks with roadblocks with 121 shares. We are going above 500 on Snap. I'm thinking about maybe $1,000 share trade. Snap all out. CCL is coming in now after setting the value. After setting the value at pre-market low. Okay, so when it breaks here, which is a HOD, then I will start to go long. Roadblocks failed. Roadblocks 201 one full loss on roadblocks. And Qualcomm is pulled back in. It was a miss. No, it was a good out. It's because Qs are crapping. Look at the roadblocks trade. A one full loss or 1 hour loss. Normally this doesn't happen, but this time it did. DraftKings is coming in again. I will consider it after it breaks this high. It's just crap. This breakout doesn't even exist. Okay, Zoom is struggling to come in. I just had a $521 trade on Snap, but because of the Snap and Lucid losses, you can see it here, I just lost it all. But I'm $50 in, so I assume because of my roadblocks is going southbound. Where's value? Value is on top. Lucid didn't go long. That's very unattractive. Rollbacks. Should I short rollbacks? No. Zoom is still standing still. So we have Qualcomm. Let's see if we get above 181, then I will go long on Qualcomm. CCL is, I'm still holding CCL. What happened to UAL yesterday? UAL is nothing. Triggered, yes. Let me remove the yes ones. What happened to Apple? Apple is struggling to go, but it looks like a good long. Look at the profile. If you get higher volume, it could be a good breakout. No, we didn't get higher volume. So let's see now when it pushes up. Okay, now we have on 5 minutes we have a 3. Let's see if we get out of this 3. If we get out of this 3 here, I hit it long with the idea of magnitude, with the magnitude up here on weekly, all right, up here. Qualcomm, okay, Qualcomm came back here. Qualcomm came back here. Okay, Apple came in. Oh, come on, come on. Okay, I'm gonna hit it from long from here. And I don't want it if it goes back lower than this. Okay, Apple. Okay, CCL is coming in. No. Okay, this breakout is not a go. Shouldn't pull back down. Oh, look at the size. Oh. Look at the size. Okay, I will hit it long again. It was a fake out. That size. We cannot ignore that size. Fake everyone out, then it will, but everyone's shorting this thing. Why? Look at did you see that size? Here it comes. There you go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Give it to me, baby. Okay, here it comes, DraftKings. Nothing is looking up. Okay, Apple. Okay. That's the moment of truth. Let's see if we get it. If we get it, it should just rip. pullback is not an option. Okay. Let's give it some room. Okay, we got a breakout on Apple. Okay, let's see what we are getting here. Okay, let me see. 100% of this trade will sit here. Let's have a pullback, and then I will add 100%. Okay, so what's the average? 87. Is 03. $44. 70. We have another huge size. We are in Qs as well. Okay, Apple Qs. Okay, let's see if we are getting any move out of Apple. Oh my God! Come on, Apple. Anything that moves to the upside. Oh man! I'll just play stupid again. Look at this. What was my share size? 400 shares, come on. Okay, we have a base for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, I'm going to add 100%. 70. Okay, 72, 75. I got ugly ads. Okay, so what happened to DraftKings? Trigger DraftKings. Let me see if DraftKings has a. This is being pussy. This is being an asshole. This is trading like shit. 400 shares on 40 cents. This is a ripper. Just go back up. I'm gonna hit it long. I hate myself. Look the way that I did. I mean, this wasn't that bad, like $500 trade, but now it's coming pretty back down. Okay, anyway, I will go back long on a snap above the value area. Let's see what roadblocks does above value area. I haven't been able to maximize my profit because of nasty losses. Nasty. Like I had 300 something loss, and there was, look at this, 130, 120, 200. Voila. I'm $160 in. that's not what I want for today. Okay, okay, Zoom is coming in. Let's go. The volume profile. Let's ignore this candle and go about this. Look, what we have. We need to have stairs up volume. Actually, the breakout, HOD breakout is happening down here. It may rip, but I cannot give it company. 5 minute. Okay. The CCL is coming in. What's that? Okay. Snap is coming back in. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get. We don't have size with us. Did I catch a lucid bottom? Roadblocks. Okay, so we don't have any of them actually breaking out. Riot is coming in now. We get close above this. Okay, right, obviously. Snap. See, I wanted to go fucking long. I just missed my entry. Okay, let's go. Okay, snap falls back down. I don't want it. If it falls back down, I don't want it. Okay, so let's see what we get. Snap is going. Snap, we have size on 55. A ladder up to 51. It's inconsistent though. It's inconsistent, but the magnitude that I'm thinking about based on ATR is $2.80. We opened today at 49, so 51 would be maximum ATR I'm looking at. Okay, so we are ripping now. Let's see the. Alright, I'm going to add when it breaks 51. I will add 100%. Okay, oh, I cannot trade it. Okay, we have a breakout out of Zoom, but okay, Snap is going good. I have a breakout. Okay, it's okay. We got out of that, and now we are gonna go into Zoom. Okay, Zoom is a little bit long of the day, but I give it some room. It looks weak. This breakout looks very weak. DraftKings is coming in. Oh my god, look at this. CCL is struggling to go now. At this moment, this is a failed breakout, right? So if anything lower than this, I don't want to be in this thing. Anything. Snap is coming back down. I don't want this thing to fake me out. I will go back in again if it fails to go higher. It looks like it's pushing. Yeah. It's a new high of the day. Everyone is buying. We have size at 93. Let's see if we get a fill. Okay, CCL is no go. CCL is a no go. Okay. DraftKings is still playing. This time DraftKings comes. I mean, the breakout happened down here, right? So this time that it breaks above the fourth break, not the third, the fourth break. And Qs are ripping. Okay, Apple coming back in again, but it's Snap is still here. All right, so Snap. Let's see what is 100% of Snap. 50% sits down here. Yeah, let's add 100%. And then obviously 72 would be my 74 would be my level. So I'm 700 shares into Snap. I can still even add another 100%. It's exactly another 100%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to expand this once we have a crack above 20. 20, give me 20. Yeah, once we get to 45, once we get to 45 here, I'm going to add 100%. It should not crop back down. So we are at 76. If I add 50%, we're gonna sit at 81. We are above 1,000 shares. Okay, CCL out. Okay, it's not good that this thing is not going. Not a good sign. Okay, I'm out. What happened on CCL? Okay, Snap, biggest profit today on Snap I made just another $200 on Snap. 196. My ad didn't work as well as I thought it would be. This is the failed breakout on CCL. I think it was $5 to $10, $12, and it was 170 something shares. Okay, so now it's coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we go in. Okay. You know what? Let's get a breakout out of this. Then I'm going to think about really buying this thing. Okay. Rollblocks is coming in. The idea that it goes above pre-market. Okay, DraftKings is coming in. All right, this is good. This is the fourth try. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm 10 cents late. Riot. Where is Riot? Riot is coming in. All right, we are watching Riot now. Instantly in profit. We lock in. Yeah, no. DKNG out. But minus $10 on commissions. Okay, the second time that it pulls, I'm gonna go. That level that it just hit is 3 days ago's high. Actually, I don't want to touch DKNG anymore. It's just, this is too risky. Like, no, I don't want to touch it. Apple tried another time. On 15-minute, there is nothing special going on. It's just the doji. On the other hand, on 2-minute, it doesn't look bad. I'll put this one on 30-minute. So we are sitting on $300 profit today, which Snap. Okay, Zoom. Okay, so this is how it is. Zoom, I missed the entry, and here is the result. Here is Zoom. I was waiting for another pullback up. I forgot to set the stop, and then there you go. Zoom has size. Okay, rollblocks. Okay, rollblocks came in. I'm going to set an order here. I don't like the shadow. I don't like the shadow on top. Roblox coming in. This is size. We have one size at 77. One thing is that I don't want to have DKNG came in. Yeah, but you know what? DKNG, I will remove it from my list. Roblox, I'm in 50 shares, but the idea is that this goes, I will add like 100 shares, just 100 shares above when it gets, yeah, there it was coming in. Let's see what happens here. If we get a break or if we get a crack. Let me put my laptop on performance. I think it is on. Yeah. There you go. Okay, Roblox is just pulling back in. Let's see what we get. I don't want less than 50% of this. Alright, so Q's, we got a fake push, and here is what happened on CCL, right? Apple. Okay, Apple is coming in. This looks, this is a choo-choo. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to wait for a 5 minutes breakout. Yeah, here it is. It's a 2-2 rev, 2-1-2 or a 2-2 rev. You will see that if it goes higher than this, then we hit it long with the low of with the stop of down here. Okay, RBLX is moving now. Okay, so Snap has a flat head, right? This flat head would be by 51.18. If that breaks, you should see it on 2 minutes. On 2 minutes, we have a Doge. Okay, Apple is coming in. Okay, we hit Apple long. We hit Apple $50 long. Okay, Roblox is on a go. I can add actually, but let's see. Apple I just got in with the tight stop. Riot is struggling, but on 5 minutes we have a Roblox is pulling back in. Let's see what happens here. 48. Okay, this is good. The Roblox no size, just a 1940 up here. Apple is a no-go, pulling back in. Got no problem sitting down here though, but it's like it's gonna be $50. I don't want to lose $50 on a fake breakout. Okay, I'm out. For some reason, okay, on a pullback of I will go in. Okay, Roblox is coming in. I'm going to add 100%. Okay, Snap is coming back in. Okay, let's see where is the value. value is right up here. Look at the flat top. It's a very dangerous area to get in. I want something to come down here. Roadblocks, back to roadblocks. Snap, I will pay attention to when it breaks HOD again. Riot is okay. Snap a very small position. If it fails, I don't want to get involved with the fake breakout. It can just easily drop to like 50, 20s. Okay, roadblocks is coming back in. This 3 is not something that I'm fond of. 70. Let's see what we get here. We just went up to 1865, which is 65 cents, $42 higher than where we are now. Okay. Roadblocks on $20. Okay, this is very tricky area. Look, we have a 2-2 bullish, but then we have a gap down, and now it's struggling to go. Roadblocks failed to go higher than. Okay, I will grab some after it pulls back up again. Oh, Apple is coming in. This is now what we're talking about. This is now what I wanted. All right, I go in Apple. 200 shares in Apple. I guess it's a breakout. I will add okay, Lucid. I don't want to hear about Lucid anymore. I don't want to hear about Riot. I mean, Riot is good, but let's see what happened to Apple here. 2 minutes. I guess it's a breakout on Apple, but because of cues that are topping here, everyone and everything is indecisive. If this thing manages to pull back up, our breakout will work perfectly fine, but it doesn't look like that it's gonna go. It can easily crap. On 30 minutes we haven't managed to have a breakout, and on 15 minutes we have a 1. I don't want to see Lucid. Snap, Snap still. Yeah, it's finding value. We are in a value area. If it breaks out from the value and it goes, it would be a beautiful breakout. Okay, something like this. It broke out a value area. I'm 25 in. Let's sit in 27. Okay, Apple is working fine. Apple is working nice. I will add 100% to Apple if I'm still in. 47. Okay, I got feeling at 45. All right, no problem. I'll go back in again if it breaks. This could be a fake out candle and then pull back up. If it closes green, then I go in. Snap trade. You're 10 cents away from getting wicked out. All right, cues are coming in. Okay, so we can hear. Okay, CCL is now coming in. Now CCL is an interesting thing for me. I hit CCL on a 15-minute position, but still not outside of the pre-market high. But it broke out from the level that I wanted to break. Okay, so we hit it. CCL 5 cents lower than the, not 5 cents. When if it fails to go, I'll get out. Okay, Apple. Okay, if Apple manages, okay, so let's see what we get on 5 minutes. Yeah, on 5 minutes we got a 2-2 rev. It's a continuation. I said Qs I will go long, but look at this, missed it. Okay, roll blocks. Let's see what we get on 2 minutes. You know what? I'm going to set a long order with a very wide range of stuff. Apple, Snap, Qualcomm. Qualcomm is still. Oh, you know what happened, Qualcomm? My chart was stuck on less distance. Like, yeah, this is still not a good. Is that Apple in? Okay, Apple is breaking out. I will add okay, let's see what does it do. We have size and Apple on 91. It should go not to come back, but if it survives to back up, to go back up, then Qs are ripping, huh? If it manages to go higher at HOD, I will add 86, coming 90, coming 90. Coming 90, 86. Okay, ask is struggling. It failed. I'm adding 100%, and my average is 78. Okay. Alright. Okay, we got a breakout. Yeah, we have a breakout. 82. This is not a good breakout. At 171, we have a huge size. We got a breakout, but it's not going. It's not good. I want something like this. I'm just bleeding money on the wicks. Yeah. So I will go with 400 shares on Apple on a if this thing goes back up. Okay, we got a new 15-minute candle. $800 shares in CCL in anticipation of a breakout. Okay, let's see what Apple does. Apple, I'm looking forward to get a 2-2 rev to the upside. Roadblocks is coming in. Let's see what does it do here. If it manages to close above, I'm interested to go in. Yes, it did. How about a little bit pull down so I can go long? Relax. Let's see it happen on 60. Okay, CCL is not going. I'm not liking this breakout. At R2, look at the size. We are superior on ask. Why the fuck is not going? Roadblocks is trying to go. If Roadblocks rips, the idea is, there you go. Okay, I'm looking at Apple now. Apple to come back up. Roadblock and CCL2 also move back up. And stop reaching around. Alright, roadblocks I can add. Yeah, I'm adding 100% after break of R3. So we got to the area that it could easily pull back in and fake everyone out. From $60 back to zero. I'm about to realize my loss on 833 shares of CCL. I set it here on 10. Let's see what happens in 19, 4 cents lower. Roadblocks, look at the 15-minute signal. It's all good, but we got to R3 and then from R3, yeah, I got fucked with this. It's just I feared of the nasty pullback. You know, at this point I want to protect my profit. It's not how can I explain this? Look at the size on 19. I'll put it on 18. Okay, because 19 has some shares on it. But if it closes down, if you have this freaking candle close down here, it means that it's holding the top, and it's a good sign for going back up. It's a very good sign. We'll see about that. One thing that I completely neglected, was this Qualcomm. I got the alert on the second break here, but I didn't pay attention, and now this looks like a breakout, but I'm going to set it 18. I'm going to set it on 19 to 20 actually, because I don't believe that there is more value. Yeah, $83 negative on fucking CCL. I hate you. Instead of going just playing dumb. Let's see what we get on Apple. We have a top on Q's. Look at what this is. What I thought it's gonna go. My share size here was, I was in with 212 shares, $3 lower. Okay, Apple looks good. It's holding. Looking good. Let's go Apple. $300 shares in Apple. So this is a decision-making candle. If this one dies off, I will not stay in the position, either because the position gonna take me out, or if it stays the price-wise the same thing, it's not a good go. It volume is dying off. Okay, Qs are coming back in. SPY is the value is at the HOD, so people are still buying this thing. Okay, we get breakout on SPY, so I'm expecting that Apple to rip, not to drop back down. What the fuck is your problem? Okay, this was the fake out, and looks that we are going to have a breakout out of fucking CCL. Riot is doing. Riot's good. The value has this damn bottom. We get above this, I hit it long. What the heck is volume? The value is down here. Okay, I gotta close and reopen the freaking looking at a push. The upside on CCL with 1,000 shares, 952. Five-minute signal. Shows a hammer. In 3 minutes we're gonna have the closure of the current 15-minute. Apple's coming in. We need this to be close green. Okay, 200 Apple with the idea of pre-market, with the idea of HOD. CCL, I'm out. Closing my CCL trade. It's not working. If it breaks above 25, then I can think about going in. Apple out. Yeah, no, it's not working. Okay, so let's see what SPY is doing. Forget about 2 minutes, let's go 15 minutes. 2 minutes says that you could have a breakout. see what happens at this level. If it goes higher, then I'm able to go in. So I'm gonna pull out the 90% rule, 60% rule. I'm breaking the 60% rule actually because I'm supposed to stop before I get to this level. I was up at 340 something, and then I bleeded it out. You can see up here the rollblocks, Lucid and CCL. Lucid is still, for me, it still shows a strength to go back higher, but you need to get a 15-minute signal. Like now we have one here and now down one here. We'll see what it does. Qs are showing weakness. I'm about to short them to VWAP, so it grabs like $2 more. But we'll see. Apple faked out. My position went to $40 profit. 40. Yep. Snap was the one that I made most of my money on. This breakout was beautiful, like $500 something in this one. This one was beautiful, and then they start to go a little bit choppy. So now we just wait for first, second. Lucid looks like that it has found bottom. Snap is coming back in on a 2-2 rev. On 60 minute we are having just a doji. Again, we found the bottom of the pre-market lot at 8 a.m. Okay, let's see what we are getting now. Let's see, we are getting above 58. 61, sorry. If you are getting above 61, then it's okay, right, it's coming in. Right came in. Now we hit right long. Okay. For me, this thing is not acceptable if it pulls back down below pre-market, below former open. Qs are coming in. As I said, I will go long on Qs if this thing comes in. We're gonna have the candle close in 3 minutes. Let's see what we get on 2 minutes. 2-1-2 bullish to the upside. Oh, snap. Let's not forget about snap. So on 5 minutes we are having a 2-2 rev. On 15 we have a 1. So snap right is already going. So my stop would be 27. No, we cannot count on this. 20, I got in 28 and I can set 27. No, let's give it some room. No, let's give it some room. Okay, so Qs are holding the top, and we're gonna have the closure of this 5 minutes in a second. So we can hit it long in anticipation of a breakout right after the open of the next candle. I'm not going to accept more than 50 minutes, 50%. So I got in on 84 and I'm sitting on 50 cents lower. This was 10 to 80, 40. So 50 is 50%. So we have Apple. We have Qs. Let's see if we get a breakout of Qs on this. It looks like it's pushing. My entry is at 84. Let's sit on 85 TQQ. Let's sit on 86. Let's sit on 86. Now we are getting a breakout. My beheld buying power here is just $30,000. I will add. I'm adding, and now my average is 05, 05, 07. We put at 07. We put at 14. 400 shares in, and then Apple obviously is going, but I'm not paying attention to Apple at the moment because I'm in Riot and Qs. We are $160 in Qs. Let's look at the 2 minute. Let's see what it see. So this is a breakout. It shouldn't come back down. 17 would be my stronghold, and I'm getting out of Qs. SPY on 5 minute looks very good. Qs on 2 minutes. Once we get above this level, I'm interested to buy Qs again. Apple didn't do much on that push. I went to 150 positive, but it pulled back in. So now I want this thing to go either to come back to 10, 8 to 10. Yeah, I mean we can buy this thing. There's no problem. So we bought at 38, and now we set ourselves at 11 below this level to see that if it's a failed breakout, you don't want to be in this trade. But it is not, and 39. This shouldn't go red. I want this thing to rip, but it doesn't. Okay, so on any green, beginning at 30. Let's see if we get a pullback. It looks like we are getting a pullback. Lucid broke the low, and Roblox is coming in now. Wow, what a battle. Okay, Roblox, I want to buy Roblox. No, this is a gap down I'm not a fan of. If it goes back up, then Roblox is a viable product, but if not, there you go. Minutes shows weakness. Okay. Okay, we are in queues and just let me remove these alerts. Something got me out, I think. Okay, RBLX pull back in. Okay, queues are okay. Roblox was a fake out. I will get out of queues if you know, the thing is queues are not going at HOD. This breakout is not a good one. It's most probably a fake out. Roblox failed. I will pay attention if it comes back in again. I don't like that the queues are coming back in. Voila. And this is we ignore Riot, and this is what it does. We're 500 in queues, expecting to get $1 out of it. Not $1, actually more. I'm thinking about maybe we get to $3. We can get $4 out of it, but not in one move on 1 minute. First of all, to recover from all of the loss. Getting 10 shares, 20 shares out of this. 20 cents out of this. And we have side, look at the ladder up. SPY is breaking, so if SPY goes, we're gonna have a breakout on we are 665 shares in queues. as I said, I'm thinking about $1. So we'll see that what does the 70 cents to 167. I'm thinking we have easy breakout. So 121. We have size. RBLX is breaking now. 121. I see a breakout, a full-fledged breakout. I'm sitting on 79 with the idea that this shouldn't pull heavy from the market. There is a institutional sale, short sale going on, sell going on. I sit above 80, so we are 250 something in. Let's see if we are getting a full breakout at 67. If we are getting out of 67, if we manage to get out of 67, we have size with us. Yep, now it should go. Lots of green should come in. We go to 20. If it pulls back in, it's a fake breakout. Okay, Apple is coming here. We are back up. Okay, Apple is coming in. Apple just came in. I'm going in with the stop to 67 because I got in with a small share size. So Qs are still on a tear. 67 is reached. 67 rejected. So I don't know if I should stay in. I'm very tight. Okay, Apple came in with this next step. 67. We have a pullback. We have 1/3 pullback, over $300 profit. Yeah, we got 350, 380. Back to okay. 167 is holding. We sit on 90. I don't think after 11, 167, 11, we should have a pullback to 90s. We have ladder up size on 11, 12, 13. Yeah, just keeping it very tight. I'm out of my Qs. I'm getting out of my Apple. I'm setting my Apple stop to 88. I got in at 85. I'm giving 3 cents in anticipation that if it's a breakout, it should go, not to come back. So we are closing with 225 instead of 300, but I think that's not a bad out. The same here. If it breaks, if 71 fails, I don't want to have anything lower than 93. If 71 fails, 170, 93 is a good out. Rollblocks had a breakout. This breakout that failed, it now happened, but I was in heavy in Qs and I didn't pay attention. It doesn't look like it's a go. We just give it some room. 93. We have at 200, 220. We have 2025. 8 field. Okay, we still have buys. I'm adding 100%, which puts me in 98 shares at 99. Okay, I set a break even. I'm seeing. Let me get out all of this. Okay, I see. Where's my magnitude? Okay, we are past magnitude, so ATH, we had ATH on this stock, and yeah, rollbacks, another fail up top. Yep, it's not a good breakout at our HOD is at R3. It could be a turnover from here, and I cannot believe it's 10 in the morning. I'm exhausted as fuck now. Okay, my last ad was at 13, so to be beneficial, I will sit on 14. Nah, okay, it's scrapped. I tweeted a lot about Twitter today. What's the Twitter? 7 million. Comes back up again. I'm interested. Baba. Uber. Baba. Craft. Uber. Banked. I wanted to short Lucid since up here when it failed and came back lower pre-market, like right here. The alert went up here. 13. Voila. You tell me about this. You tell me about CCL. How much money I lost on CCL today? Okay, I made some and I lost 164. So plus 164 red. And this garbage. QCOM is the shame of the day. QCOM is the shame of the day. On 2 minutes, it's just a pullback. I got out and then it pulled back down. I missed this one. This was a good entry. 2 is $1. 200 is 200 shares here, and 200 shares since then. It's just history. We have moved $3 since then. No, $4. $4, and it means that I would be 800 on profit if I just let it go. Let it go, let it go. Apparently. Okay. Alright. Oh fuck, I just remembered at the bottom. Oh, Twitter. There you go. Twitter. Let me see what's 15 minutes of spot. Nah, it's not the same. On 60 minutes waiting. Doji, it's just after 60 minutes, it's still red. 1 hour candle is closed. Let's hope that Snap comes back in and gives us some more opportunities. Oh, look at that. Ugly. This means retracement. I'm gonna get my Sí, sí. Y de nuestra habitación no tiene acceso a puerto de LAN. the red. What is the let's see, now the 50. Feliz está? Ah, sí, puede pasar. Sí, gracias. Ah, muy bien. Muchísimas gracias. Voilà. Alright, I'm taking a break. The stream will go on. Okay, let me sit here. I'm taking a break. The stream gonna go on. I just realized that my watch list is not in order. Wow, voila, Snap is coming in. What do you know? That is overextended. I don't like the 15-minute form of this. Maybe it takes another 5 minutes to form. It was here when I saw it, so. Okay, okay, the short on Lucid would be nice, as I wanted to show it up here at 13. Here, here showed it at 13, and it is $2 lower now. CCL picked up some value around view up, but I don't believe that that's the real thing. Apple is just coming back in again. Let's switch to 15. Nope. Let's switch to 15. Nope. Roblox a nasty 3. Let's see if we get a in 10 minutes we get a 3, but anyhow above pre-market high, it's a good area to hit again. Snap 15-minute ugly, was a 5-minute was ugly. Where is it? No, was it 5-minute? 15-minute? No, it wasn't that. Qualcomm shame of the day, still ripping. We switch to 15-minute, 30-minute, and I will come back to stream again. What a day! Look at the freaking size of everything here. Qualcomm was the slowest, but it made, from my entry, it made $3 up. I was in this trade with 83 shares. Yeah, so Twitter again. The thing is, Twitter, I don't like Twitter at the moment. It's just too choppy, and if you go 5 minutes, you'll see that, yeah, it just looks good, but it could easily form another top and do late today another move to the upside, which most probably I'll go with physiotherapy. Let's see what we get here. If it's a 3-1, if it gives us a 3-1, then we can hit it long, but so far no hope. Spy on Snap on 5 minutes. It's nothing special, just due to continuation, and it could just easily force us back here. But look at the top. It would be nice if we get a 2-1-2 up here, then boom to at least 50 to 20. Sorry, it would be nice if we could get that. But we got to our magnitude, so voila. Basically, I gotta call this on Twitter. Baba red. I won't touch it. Uber is crappy and coming back down. It could take it and go up from here on a beautiful 2-1-2, or it's a 1-2-2, or on a 3-1-2. And everything is just washing out. Just QCOM is the only one that's ripping. Apple tried to go up again on a 5 minute. I see it on 1 minute. It just beautifully broke out, but I'm not trusting this breakout. Riot on 5 minutes is giving me at HOD we are having a 2-1-2 at 5 minutes. Sorry, 15 minutes. They have it. What do I look at? Oh, yeah, 15 minutes we are having a 2-1-2, and here there is nothing special. Okay, snap on 2 minutes is showing us potential to go higher. So, but this one, the issue, I was down here when I wanted to buy it, right? At 33. Yeah, here. Now it's 60. So 1 hour in, it could be potentially going for, let's hit it for 50 shares. It doesn't hurt. I'm going to, I go in with not actually, I'm not gonna, should I? Size, we have at 68 one share, then we have 52.40, but it's broken in between. There is not much demand, huh? Okay, voila. Let's go. We go with 100. It's 73 shares, and I will get out if it fails to break this level. 33 between, yeah, there you go. If it fails to break, I don't want to be in this thing. If it fails to, obviously it's already a failed break. 51 is bouncing. Okay, I need to clean up some stuff, and I'll be back after later today, and we'll see what we can do. Yeah, why the fuck it doesn't show my desk? See, this, I'm trading, but I don't pay attention to this kind of stuff. So let's fix the watch list. I wanna let it run. Did it go? BA no. It is QCOM. CCL, Snap. Okay, I'm not going to this. UAL, CCL, Zoom, Exxon Mobile, not Zoom. Lucid. Riot, Roblox, APL, Baba, Uber, now market is slower, things are chill. Let me know when you go back up here. Baba, nope. Uber, I'm interested if when it goes green on the day. Yeah, let's watch it when it does that. Tencent pullback already. Let's see on 5 minutes. Is it? Yeah, it's valid. On 5 minutes, if it pulls back, I don't want to win this thing. Actually, right now, what is the low of this? 45. Yeah. 44 and 43, I think would be good. If it breaks less than 44. 44? Yeah, 44, 2 cents is 42. I don't want to be in this trade. It should break, not to pull back. I didn't import my trades for yesterday. Did I save them? taking a break. See you later, and maybe I'll come back in the afternoon. I have to go now. Okay, gotta go. Yep.